going to be working with text and type. We're going to be creating something similar to this so we can use all the tools. Alright, so over here is going to be your page. And this is the sample of what your goal should be. The first thing I think you should do is come over here to your type tool, click and hold, and tear off the tools because you're going to be using those a lot, so you might as well have them near your board. Alright, first thing I'm going to do also is go to Window Control, because then it brings up your control toolbar. So it'll look similar to mine when you do yours. So the first thing I'm going to do is this hello. So I'm going to come in here and type hello. Highlight it. I'm going to choose a different font. Make it so you can actually see it. Remember, if you want to go up higher, you can hit this number, or you can actually come in here and type a number also. Alright, to do the text warp or make envelope, in this toolbar where we were just at, there's this, looks like a spiderweb-ish kind of thing. It says make envelope. If you click down on that, there's a couple of options, but we're just going to click straight on it, the icon, and it brings up the warp options dialog box. Okay, out of all these, I really don't care which one that you choose. You can kind of play around and see which one you like. And then click OK. So that's the first one. Second one I'm going to do is the vertical type tool. That's the third or fourth one in. I'm going to click and then click down here. Right now that's too big a font, so I'm going to go ahead and change that right now because I know I'm going to run out of room. For this one I would like you to put your name. So when we go to print these or turn them in, we know whose is whose. Vertical type tool, let me move it to my page, and then I'm going to change the color of that. And again, color does not matter, whatever colors you want to use, it's fine with me. Alright, the next thing is going to be type in an area. So we have to have an area in order to type. So I use this circle to create my area. Alright, or you could come in here with the pen tool and create your own crazy shape too. For an area, so it does not matter, but it just has to be a closed shape in order to use the type in an area path tool. Okay, so that's that second one. I have to click on the edge of the shape in order for it to work. Don't try to click in the middle because it's going to give you an error. Alright, so I'm going to still do the circle. I'm going to get rid of this guy. I'm going to type on path. Come and click on my edge. I'm going to change my font size. And then I'm going to go to Google Chrome and copy and paste my favorite lyrics. For yours, I don't care what lyrics you use, as long as there's no curse words in the text part. Okay? As you can see, there's some gaps here because of when I copied and pasted it, they were on separate lines. So I'm going in here and deleting some of those spaces where I can. So it fills up the area a little better. So I'm just hitting spacebar and delete on my keyboard. Don't worry if you get any of these red dots. Basically that means there is text still that was not showing, so I just hit delete, or it will not print those little red boxes. Alright, another thing I'm going to do is center the text so it doesn't look so wonky, and that is text in an area, or type in an area. Next two is type on a path. This one I did on a shape, okay, because a shape has a path, and this one I hand did. So I came in here with my paintbrush, I drew a path, right? And then again I went to Google Chrome, found one of my favorite songs, I copied, Command C or Control C, depending on what class you're in. I'm going to click on the type of the path. That's the third tool. I'm going to click at the beginning of that line, and I'm going to paste. And it's going to look like I don't have anything. It's just because, again, there was spaces when on the text, so I just need to go in there and delete them. All right. So that's one type of path. The other type of a path was I did on a shape. So I created a circle. I did type on a path, clicked on here, and I did good morning sunshine. Okay, I'm going to highlight that and I'm going to make it bigger. All right, and then I can also come in here and move that text around. Oops. If it agrees with me. Nope. There it goes. So if I want it more the good morning on top, I can just rotate it to how I want it. So again, you'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different styles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You do not need to label them, but you do need to have at least one with your name on it. You can go in and color them if you would like, or it can be in black and white. I forgot what I was doing there. There you go. Okay, once you're done, I want you to hit File, Save. And then you're going to go to File, Print, and then say where it doesn't say do not say Fit to Page, and then you're going to hit Print. Make sure you turn those into the bin. All right, that's all.